Hi you guys. Sorry I'm looking a little bit crazy. It is like 90 degrees outside, but guess what? I have something to show you guys. It's pretty big. It's a big surprise. Hey you guys, so I think my video actually cut off yesterday, but as you can see, I have a suite. So today is the next day, and my dad and my husband are actually going to the suite to put some stuff together. And this is my girl Danielle, y'all. So she just graduated today from the same aesthetics program that I did. So we're about to go have a couple of drinks, y'all.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll see y'all later, okay? Alright guys, so I am finished with my lunch and my drinks with Danielle, and I am at the suite, and I'm about to go in here and check on my husband and my dad to see what they're doing. So I'm going to take you guys inside with me.
Yeah, you got it.
Alright. Got some cabinets going on. A little dusty.
Yeah, you got to wait for one.
We're getting there.
We can't put the
Got one
handles
more
on.
thing to put together.
Yeah. You can't put the handles on. We need a drill bit.
I might get gold handles for those. That's my dad. Got my husband over here. Currently in my garage. I'm going to attempt to spray paint these handles gold. Went to Lowe's and picked up this metallic gold spray paint, and this one, it says you can use it on wood, metal, plastic, glass, plaster, ceramic, paper, or wicker. So I'm hoping this will get the job done, and I just hope this turns out cute, because this is my first time ever like doing anything DIY, because I'm really not that creative, but we'll see. And here are some clips of me just spray painting these handles, and unfortunately this is all the footage that I have for this video, but be sure to stay tuned for my next video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please continue this journey with me.